doing? What the fuck?
Allen 911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, I think I just got hit by a drunk driver, somebody disabled or something in my car.
So there's an auto accident, sir?
Just wait in your car. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where's this accident occurred? Where did the accident occur?
Where was I? I'm on North Angel Parkway, just past East Main Street.
Are you going north or south on Angel?
Heading north. This guy looks like he's in a lot of pain. He's not from the accident, but he swerved into me, and he can't walk, and he looks like, I don't know, maybe he just got out of the hospital or something.
Okay.
I think I'm in
What's
Allen.
the color, make of each